Welcome to AI Traders live market analysis using artificial intelligence to find high probability trades. In today's AI Traders Live show, we'll be focusing on 36 major currency pairs using artificial intelligence to find the latest hot trading ideas. Here's a brief disclaimer. I'm Richard Miller and I'll be presenting today's AI Traders Live episode. We use the Fulgent AI engine that sits on the Metastock platform. We've got 4 artificial intelligence trading strategies that we use: major market reversals, classic swing trades, volatility breakouts, and quick 3-day moves. Now, all 4 of these cater for different type trading styles. Whether you're a position trader or a swing trader, there's something for everyone. Now, just a quick background information. The Fulgent AI was developed by the Nirvana Systems company, and it's developed over 25 years. And Metastock's been providing award-winning charting analysis software for the self-directed trader for over 30 years. So we've got a very good, reputable artificial intelligence engine and stock market platform that we use. Now, the tip of the iceberg explanation how the AI works. The AI does 10 to the power of 200 different possible combinations of stock market indicators and relationships using genetic algorithms. That's a key artificial intelligence technology that's being used. Now, it takes all available technical indicators with all available settings, and it tests and retests, and it eliminates the low profitability trades. We're only looking for highly profitable, high probability trades using the AI, and we use genetic algorithms to come up with these type trading strategies. I've used the AI artificial intelligence engine, in particular this one today. Here, the trading statistics in the training period. The major market reversal AI engine is 72% accurate with 1.4% average profit per trade over the testing period. The swing trade AI engine is 69% accurate with a 1% average profit per trade. And the volatility breakout one is 59% accurate with 1.2% average profit per trade. The quick 3-day move is this aggressive swing trader strategy. It's 62% accurate with 0.6% average profit per trade. Now, this is the average profit per trade over thousands of trades in the testing period. So it's fantastic statistic considering currencies don't really move that much on a particular end of day basis. So I've run the screen. We use the end of day prices for today, and there are the winners. Now, in long, in shorts, there's one short, GBPJPY, and the rest are all in longs. Now, these are the most recent trades. Some of the other rejects are things where the AI's either reached a profit target or it got stopped out. And that's how the AI, these are active trades that the AI is already in a trade. I've sorted them in columns, the column here bars showing, let's just sort them from best to worst. So if you sort them in the column bars from most recent trades to older one, gives you an idea how many days into a trade are these AI generated signals. And we can also see 104, 105 is the AI handle. Identification number and accuracy there. In this case, the AI on AUD yen is actually 95% accurate, and CAD yen is also 95% accurate with average profit per trade of 2.15%. So you can see there. GBP CAD trade on average, that AI engine is 75% accurate, and the Euro AUD 70% accurate. EURCAD 72% accurate with 1.2% average profit per trade. The Euro yen is a 95% accuracy and 2.15% profit per trade. Sterling yen, 69% accuracy on average with 1.2% profit per trade, and the Forex yen USD is 95% accurate with 2.15% average profit per trade over the testing period. So you can see, yeah, the AI does have very good trading statistics on individual currency pairs. As the AI is looked into using genetic algorithm technology, it finds the best high probability trades using artificial intelligence. Let's jump straight into the individual pairs. Now, for the Euro yen, we've got a swing trade. We can see the last couple of trades were quite successful on the Euro yen. You can see here lots of swing trades here a couple of months ago. Then a lovely swing trade here, captured that move there. And then a swing trade here. That one had a very wide stop loss, incidentally enough. You can see here if we scroll across that one, you had to hold on for months and months and months. Now, you might ask why there aren't any more trades in here. Remember, the AI is only looking for very high probability trades, so that one could stay open. You can see how the AI adjusted for the stop loss. So that initial swing trade is still in the money. And the second one, next one, if you scroll to the right here, we have a new swing trade here. And incidentally, if we're going to look at the 4-hour chart to see what's happening on a more shorter term time frame in the yen, it takes a second or two to load. So you can see there's plenty of swing trade opportunities on the 4-hour chart. So you can see August, lovely trade there. The 16th again, a lovely trade there. 23rd, another trade there. And that week, 30th, swing trade there. That one got stopped out. And we have a new swing trade with a stop loss right here at, let me just put that line in there. There we go. Around about 108.93. The AI generated stop loss. So you can see there are on intraday lots of more signals using the AI, but if you're trading on end of day basis for currencies, the AI would still make you a lot of money. Now we can see we've had the intraday signal, so fantastic swing trade on a daily basis as well, and so we expect that move to move higher with these old highs here as the upside resistance zone for the current the yen USD pair. Okay, going to minimize that. Next up is sterling yen. If I can maximize that, you can see we have had fantastic trade here. September swing trade captured the entire move here from 136, 134 all the way up to 154. So there's quite a lot of points captured in that move. A huge contract there would have made you quite a couple of thousand. And we have a new swing trade in there, still in a swing trade with 148 as the trading stop. So sterling yen is still long on a swing trade basis. And let's go and look at the 4-hour chart, see if there's anything intraday happening that's interesting. Takes a while to load. It's quite a lot of processing power the AI needs to do. So you can see even here on a swing trade 4-hour, lots of trades, lots of swing trades. Some work out, but most of them, as we now know, the AI is generating 70-80% probability of success. So we have a new swing trade on there as well, with a trailing stop on the 4-hour basis down here underneath the 148.50 zone, just underneath there, that zone. So sterling yen, also a swing trade both on an end of day basis as well as a 4-hour basis. So we're looking forward to see how that one's going to pan out. Right, next one. So for the euro yen pair, you can see this artificial intelligence swing trade engine is highly successful. The euro yen, incidentally, the trading statistics, you got 95% accuracy in this case. So you can see the swing trade back here in September, October worked out well, November worked out well, another one December captured the December, January, February rally, the April rally profitable, the swing trade there profitable. The latest swing trade is still in a long, but very close to the trailing stop loss. Will be interesting to see how it's going to pan out at that level. So any swing trade here at these levels with a trailing stop loss at that level there, getting pretty close to that level. And then the upside profit targets would be the top end of that trading range, would be the first stop. And then the next one would be to manage the trade up until you get to that resistance zone up there. There we go. All right, so we're in a swing trade. Let's go and look at the 4-hour chart. So anything interesting happening on the 4-hour chart for euro yen? And let's go and see this one. Oh, fantastic. There's also, I think, a swing trade on this one, the euro yen. You can see the trailing stop on the 4-hour chart is over here at 127.50. And will be interesting to see if this one's going to pan out. But so far, so good. The swing trade on average work out fantastically for the euro yen currency pair. Okay, next up is EURCAD. We can see we've got a swing trade there. The AI has now moved its trailing stop loss up. It accommodates for the volatility of the currency. So there we go. That's the new trailing stop loss. And then your profit targets would be around about these old highs here, would be your first area of resistance for this pair, and that range there. So we'll see how it's going to respond when it gets to this kind of resistance zone. What's happening on the 4-hour? Let's go and take a look there. Swing trade in the 4-hour, fantastic. Caught the movie on the 9th all the way up there. So captured that move, fantastic. A new swing trade there. trailing stop depending on your own risk management, how you want to run your own trailing stops, but the AI's got out on that one on a 4-hour chart. But two fantastic trades over the last couple of weeks on the 4-hour chart using artificial intelligence on the 4-hour chart. So that's the EURCAD in a swing trade with the trailing stop loss moved higher. All right, Euro AUD, another one. Now the Euro AUD is also a 95% accurate AI, and you can see it does do short swing trades to the downside, but we have a new swing trade to the upside with a trailing stop loss here at this level. Yeah, it's quite a wide trailing stop loss, so it does accommodate for incredible amount of volatility. Let's go and take a look at the 4-hour chart, see what's happening there. It takes a second or two. So you can see this quick move to the downside there. So that was a quick short. Now the quick move strategy AI, you in just for 3 to 4 trades. Okay, so that one you would have caught a little bit of profit there. But the swing trade on the 9th, fantastic there. That swing trade got stopped out, and then you could have gone short when the AI recommends a sell. So you could have captured that and moved to the downside. So you can use the short selling because it's a currency. You know, if you trade a currency, you long one and short the other one by automatic. So that's how you can use if you want to trade more frequent with the AI. So fantastic there, fantastic trades on the Euro AUD pair. Right, next. The GBP CAD AI got a quick move to the downside. We can see the other swing trades all very profitable, captured some really good moves. Now we know from the testing period that this particular AI on the CAD GBP CAD pair is on average 75% accurate with a 0.73 average profit per trade. Okay, so just keep that in the back of your mind. So we're really only looking for high probability trades, and that's why the AI might not have identified trades in this period, because you know, they aren't high probability trades. We like to trade less and make more ultimately. Let's go to take a look at the 4-hour chart. So you will find a lot of trades on an intraday basis on the 4-hour chart on these other days where there might not have been a signal on the daily one. So you can see a swing trade there. So you can see quite a, not so much as we would like to have seen, but still very good trading statistics there. So once again, it's a 75% accurate AI on the GBP CAD that we use. The CAD yen, we can see this one, fantastic trade, a real money maker. This swing trade lasted for many months. You can see you were in here right about, let me just put a line in there. That trade, you were in there at the open. Let's take the open there. So, and then your first real trailing stop loss was hit over there. So you captured that entire move from 76 all the way up to 86. So good couple of points depending on the size of your currency futures contract. That would have made quite a couple of thousands on a unleveraged trade, for example. So swing trade there, currently in a swing trade. So we zoom into that one, and you have a very wide stop loss on this one. We've got right down here at 83. That's your stop loss. Upside profit targets would be this first level of resistance there. The second one would be this cluster of support there, which is now a new resistance zone, those 2 points there. And then the old highs here would be your you know, other resistance zone to look out for this particular swing trade. So that's our upside potential for this particular swing trade on the CAD yen. What's happening on the 4-hour chart? Let's go and take a look at that one. So you can see you managed quite well with just trading currencies on a daily basis without having to bother with intraday trading. So if you take a position, we have a current swing trade on the 4-hour with a trailing stop loss around about 84.50 there. So you can see also quite nice. If you were trading this swing trade and after the sell went short, you could have captured that move to the downside. But fantastic trading statistics. Now incidentally, the CAD yen trade here, the CAD yen, let's just check the statistics. CAD yen is a 95% accurate trading strategy. And code 104 there tells us that it is the classic swing trade AI strategy. Okay, let's take a look at the next one. Take this off screen now. Minimize that. Now the AUD yen pair, we can see this swing trade back in November captured that entire move November, December, and January and March caught that move. So the AUD yen AI engine, let's just double check the statistics quickly. AUD yen is a 95% accurate AI and 2.15% average profit per trade, and it's the classic swing trade AI. So that's the symbol there, classic swing trade, AUD yen, 95% accuracy. Fantastic accuracy trading the yen on a swing trade basis. And you can see we have lots of swing trades here. Now the most recent one, we've got a trailing stop loss here around about between 77.5 and 77. That's the classic swing trade stop loss, and we have the upside resistance target for your first level of profit taking for the first trade would be around about this level, and if it continues after that, the second trade would be these old highs, the cluster of old highs up here would be your second trailing profit target zone on AUD yen. Also fantastic, let's check the 4-hour chart, see if there's anything interesting on an intraday basis for those of you that trade more frequent currencies. You can see a fantastic swing trade here on the 16th came through. Short sell there worked out well. Now a new swing trade worked out well, and we've got a trailing stop there on that one. So it'll be interesting to see if this one's going to pan out. But so far so good. Highly profitable trades both on the daily charts as well as the 4-hour charts using AI. The last two currencies I'd like to touch on is the sterling, GBP, British pound, and the euro, simply because they are such important currencies. Now the AI doesn't have an active signal on the daily chart. Those trades were closed out, but we do have a swing trade signal on the 4-hour chart with a stop loss in and around this level here. Let me just see where that level is of the 136, 1.36 around about there. And then also the AI has got a short on this move to the downside, yeah, but we've had a swing trade on the 16th and that 23rd and 30th that worked out beautifully. So you can see there are a short signal on the euro, which can change, and then sterling as well. We have a swing trade to the upside with these old highs as 139 and 140 as the upside profit targets on the swing trade on sterling. So these are the names, the most recent trades, from the most recent trades to the older ones. You can see the currency pairs. The AI is really chucking off some really good profits using artificial intelligence, very high trading statistics. Now remember, the AI is dynamic. We retrain it all the time to keep up to breast with any kind of changes in market dynamics. So it's important to keep the AI fresh. But you can see 95, 75, 70%, 72, 69% accuracy. Absolutely fantastic trading statistics. If any traders wants to get their hands on having your own artificial intelligence engine, go to metastock.com/alphaharvest 3-for-1. We've got a fantastic buy 3 months for the price of one deal on at the moment, and you can try it out and see if the artificial intelligence engine fits your trading style. metastock.com/alphaharvest 3-for-1. This is what the landing page looked like. We've got a 3 months for the price of one deal. Whether you're taking the artificial intelligence engine on a end of day basis, this side, or the real time, if you do high frequency intraday trading, we've got two options for the buy 3 months for the price of one deal on Metastock platform. And that brings us to the end of this edition of AI Traders Live. Join me next time for more artificial intelligence trading. Bye for now.